Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So for this, we need to locate our Snapchat app first. So after opening Snapchat app, if you got this message that Snapchat is disabled in your device, so what you need to do is go back and open your settings. Now here in the search bar, you need to find VPN. So simply type VPN here and then click on search. Now open it and here open your VPN. Now here you need to disable any VPN if added here. So I don't have any VPN, so it's not showing here. So then the problem will be solved. If the problem still persists, then you need to go back and open Chrome browser and search for Snapchat Sport. Now here in search bar, you need to find Snapchat ban. Once you type it, then click on the search icon and it will give you different options. You can go with the reason that you are facing, whether you are facing problem with logging in or your account is locked. So this is it for today's video. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.